So this is the Yazzii 4-pocket organizer. I love the smallness of this bag for carrying it around when I'm working on little projects. You can see that I've embellished and embroidered the top of my bag. You can see videos for how you can applique and embellish your own bag in this playlist under Yazzii bags. I've done tutorials for that. So for this one, I added fabric strips and then I embroidered it, I beaded it, I added lots of beads around the edges. I really love how this one turned out. I loved the fabric that I started with, so I was really excited to add it to this bag. So opening it up, everything in here is what I used for this project, and that's what I really like about the 4 pockets for this. All the beads I placed in the bottom. They're messy right now, but I had them all in there. And then there are 4 pouches that you can take in and out and fill up with whatever you need. So for mine, I had my thread and my scissors, and then I have 2 empty pouches. If I had other beads in bags, I could add those. I could add my needles. It all fits nicely together, zips up, and I like that you hold this one from the top. It reminds me of like a little train pouch or something cute and vintagey. So there you have it. That's my Yazzii 4-pocket organizer.